Hi guys, Annie here again. I mentioned the other day about my cab cards. Sorry about that. Trying a different view today. Maybe do this a little better. But anyway, I mentioned about my cab cards, and it's a little shiny there, isn't it? So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at these. They were pretty easy to make, a little messy, but I loved the way they looked when I finished with them. There's this one. This one, I just printed out some vintage photos, you know, off the Pinterest or internet or whatever. They're just paper, and you can tell that some of these are gonna be different, or some of them are different sizes, you know. There's two, which I done these different. I'll show you why. And then there's, well, you can't really see that one. There's that one. Some of these are really pretty big. And this is my favorite one, actually. I absolutely love this one. And then this one's quite large. This is probably the biggest one I did, but I just printed out. These are just on just plain old copy paper, no big thing. But now I did print out some, you know, different sized ones and stuff after I was wanting the original backs, like, you know, authentic backs that they put on them originally, and I found a couple of different ones on the internet, and I printed them out. And this right here's what I've got left. I used a lot of them, but there's this one. Oh, I have a bad shadow. Yeah, the sun's going down here, and anyway, there was this one. And like I said, I had different sizes of these. And then there was this one, which this one's actually my favorite one as far as that goes. But these are also just on copy paper. And what I did was I just put this on cardboard, took the picture that I wanted on the front, and put it on the other side of the cardboard, and that made it, you know, it made it good and, you know, good and sturdy, you know, when I got done. And see the backs. I just love them. But right here, the reason I want to show you these two, the reason I have two is one of these I put the back on upside down. Okay, that one's on the right side up. See, that one's on upside down. So that's just something you have to be aware of. And other than that, all it took to make these was just some, like I said, a little bit of just regular old cardstock, white cardstock. I used my, you know, my distress pad. Just, well, you know, the distress inks. I used the vintage photo. And just some plain old Mod Podge, I think. Either that or glue, same difference. When I made these, and these are really good and sturdy. And I kind of roughed them up a little bit. Made them a little more, well, that's really shiny. Made them a little more believable. But anyway, these were fun, and like I said, they're a little messy, but you know, they were definitely worth it. And I made all of these at, you know, at one time. So, and then this one, it's got a little bottom on it, and from one of the, there's just an accident on this one. And see, here's I don't think I have any of these left. See the back of this one? It's got the cherubs and stuff. I don't think I had any. No, I just had the two that I showed you left. Had any more of these left. And so anyway, that's it. And I won't keep you anymore. And leave me a comment. And I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.